Hey YouTube, so today's video is all about this snowflake inspired look that I created with my Laura Lee Nudie Patootie palette. Let's get to the video. Yeah. Hey lovelies, so today we are starting out with the Laura Lee Los Angeles Nudie Patootie palette. Here's what she looks like. Okay, so I'm going to start out with a small, teeny tiny blending brush. You see how tiny that is? And we are going to go into we're going to go into Butt Naked. I already have my foundation, my eyebrows, my concealer, all my powder's done. Everything on my base is done. So we're just going to start with our eyes. So this, I'm going to see where my crease is. I'm just going to line where I want this to be. Alright, and I'm going to get a fluffy brush with just a little bit of that Butt Naked on there, and I'm going to blend this up, not down but up. I'm going to take a short fat brush and I'm going to go into Nakey, which is the darkest shade in the palette. I can't talk. And I'm going to just kind of pat that bottom line again. Not going down on my lid, just patting the very edge of where the shadow starts. Alright, taking that fluffy brush again and just kind of blending that up. To do the same thing on my bottom lash line. So I'm going to start out with Nakey and line my, sorry, I can't talk. I can't concentrate and do that at the same time. I'm just lining my bottom lash line with Nakey, but right at the very edge where my lashes meet. Okay, now that we look Egyptian, I'm going to get the Tarte Shape Tape and, where's my brush? And the NYX Professional Brow Brush in number 14. And I'm going to carve out my crease. To put some, I can't find any of my brushes anywhere. Alright, so now we're going to put streaking on top of this concealer so it doesn't crease. I'm going to take this flat shadow brush, going to spritz it with some Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, and we're going to go into Exposed and pat that on the lid. Alright, so now I'm going to also take Stark and put that in my inner corner. And now I'm going to take the NYX Epic Liner Pencil and line my lash line. Now, the fun part. I'm taking the NYX White Liner. This is the, yes, I'm taking the NYX White Liquid Liner, and we're going to make snowflakes along our eyes. Okay, so those are our snowflakes. I'm also going to put a little glitter on. Can't have snowflakes without glitter, right? So I'm going to be using the NYX Glitter Glue and the NYX Glitter Pigments. Mascara on with the NYX Worth the Hype mascara. Okay, so we are going to highlight with the Wet n Wild highlighter, and I'm going to spritz my brush to make the highlight really stand out. I'm gonna put that on my cheeks, on my nose, and on my lip. Cupid's bow. I can't talk. Cupid's bow. We're going with the Laura Lee Los Angeles Liquid Lip in Jaybird. I love these liquid lips. Love them. Alright, and then we're going to go over that liquid lip with a little bit of the Duo Chromatic by NYX. And then, last but not least, we're going to spray our face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Snowflake tutorial with the Laura Lee Nudie Patootie palette. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. Remember that I'm in a full series of the Season of Wonder, which is like a Vlogmas style series that runs through the entire month of December. I am posting a new video every single day at 10 a.m. Make sure that you don't miss a single video by subscribing to my channel, like this video, hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload. And I am uploading every single day at 10 a.m. Yeah, so I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.